Hello, my name is Marlon, and welcome back to Cooking Filipino Food. Today, I'm going to show you my version of beef with broccoli. For this recipe, we would need a pound of thinly sliced beef, and we would tenderize this using a mixture of 1/4 cup water and half a teaspoon of baking soda. So you just mix them well, and after that, you just pour the mixture over the meat and allow it to be absorbed. We will leave this in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight for best results. Once the meat has been tenderized, you just remove the excess liquid before adding other ingredients. To the tenderized meat, we would add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and about a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. The cornstarch will prevent the moisture from leaving the meat once we start stir frying. It's a trick I learned from my Chinese boss. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's my own take on this popular Chinese takeout recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future recipes. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.